pretend I don't look like this. I'm just gonna be packing for my vacation in this video. I'm going to Vegas. I've never been, so what I'm packing could be like totally wrong, but I'm hoping that I chose some decent stuff. You guys can tell me in the comments, I guess. So I already pretty much got out the main stuff I plan on bringing. I don't have any like essentials really packed yet because I'm gonna need those until I leave, so that'll be on my carry-on and all that. But this is just gonna be like the main like outfits and fun stuff. If you guys have watched my what's in my bag video, you'll pretty much already know what my carry-on is gonna look like, and it's gonna be chaos. And I'm sure I'm overpacking like crazy because that's just what I do. But I just thought this was going to be a really fun video to just go through and show you guys all my outfits I've got planned and yada yada yada. And I haven't tried to fit this stuff in my suitcase, so we'll see how much space I have at the end of this, or if I have too much stuff, I don't know. It's a pretty decent sized suitcase, so I'm not too worried about that, but let's get started, I guess. I'm not completely sure what to start with. I've kind of just made a whole pile of chaos here. I'll start with maybe my airport outfit, wherever that is. Okay, so this isn't going to be going in the suitcase because obviously I'm going to be wearing it in the airport, but I've got just a basic black pair of leggings. A basic black tank top, and my hub jacket, and then I'm probably gonna wear like a pair of sunglasses or something with it, but I haven't chosen which ones yet. I am gonna need a bag to go with that, and I'm thinking this one just because it's super cute, and I plan on using it for some other outfits, so it doesn't really match my airport outfit, but it's helping me save some space in my suitcase, so always good. And then I have this little hack that I do. It's not really a hack, but if you've watched my Shein hauls, there's always these little bags that are left over, and I hate throwing them out because it just seems like a waste. So I have a ton of these. A ton. And usually I bring a couple for dirty laundry, or if anything gets wet or anything like that, just to kind of repurpose them, and I find that it's super convenient and better than just like a Walmart plastic bag. Sometimes I also bring like my jewelry and stuff in them as well, and then it helps things just not get totally messed up, so always good. I do of course plan on bringing some antiperspirant. And I have this little tiny bottle of Juicy Couture perfume. It smells kind of obnoxious, but it's juicy, so it's what you'd expect. And I just like that it's in a really little bottle, so I think it'll be convenient for the trip. I don't actually know where I'm going to put these in my suitcase yet, so I'll just keep them aside. Next up, I'll do my handbags and my shoes, I guess. So for handbags, I'm just bringing like two little tiny ones. This is just a basic like black crossbody bag. I figured that would be just really convenient for all purposes. And then I have this really cute little backpack. It's brown, it's neutral, and I figured that would also be really convenient just to have things with me at all times. And I wanted to stick with more small bags so that I can fit them in my suitcase. Usually I like bigger bags, but that's fine. And then for shoes, I've got my black slides. I'm actually probably gonna wear these with my airport outfit, so I'll put them over there. But then for like actual outfits, I have these little black heel sort of sandals. They're really cute. They've been through a lot, so I'm kind of expecting for them to break on me when I'm walking, and it's going to be a whole thing. But for someone who has so many shoes, I really don't have a lot of practical shoes. That's the problem. So I've got these ones, and then I have these super cute sparkly heels. I figured those would be awesome for like fancy dinners and stuff like that. So bringing these, they are gonna suck to walk in. Like, they're gonna be horrible, and I already know I'm gonna get so many blisters, but they're cute, so it's worth it. In terms of jewelry, I really don't plan on bringing much. So I'm gonna have my normal earrings, bracelets, and ring. But then for extra stuff, I just plan on bringing some body chains because I just think they're so cute. They can be classy, they can be sexy. And they're just in this black little bag already, so it's convenient. I don't usually like to bring too much jewelry just because I already wear my regular stuff and I don't think it's necessary to bring more. But something that is necessary to bring more of is socks and underwear. I'm one of those people who expects to pee their pants 30 times a day when they're on vacation. I don't know why, but I always have to have extra panties with me. Even regular day-to-day life, I always have like 1 or 2 extra panties in my bag. I never need them, it just makes me feel better. So let's count how many I have. Well, first off, I've got 3 pairs of socks, but as you saw, I don't have any running shoes. I don't know why I'm bringing these, I don't know when I'll wear them, but just in case, I kind of expect that I'm gonna have to buy new shoes while I'm down there, just because of all the walking I know I'm gonna be doing, but it is what it is. I'd rather be safe than sorry. But panties, let's count those. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I've lost count at this point, but I'm pretty sure there's more in the pile still. In all fairness, I do plan on getting some work done while I'm down there, so I wanted to have some extra matching stuff. But you know, it's good to have them just in case. I mean, I don't want to have to be like stuck buying more clothing. You know, I don't know, whatever. I think too much. So I did say that I do want to get some work done, so let's look at some of my fancier lingerie sort of stuff. I'm planning on bringing bra 1, bra 2, bra 3, bra 4. So I got some nice colors going on there. Oh, there's another panty. There we go. I don't even know how much work I'm gonna end up doing, but I'd rather be prepared. I'm hoping to take like a ton of pictures because we're supposed to have a really nice hotel room, and I just want to take advantage of being somewhere that I've never been before. I think it's really exciting, so hopefully get some decent content out of that. And then I have some other stuff that are not bras. So I've got this chemise, this teddy, this baby doll, this teddy, and this teddy. So I shouldn't have to worry about running out of any of that stuff at all. I think that was it. Just because, like I said, I really want to take advantage of being somewhere that I haven't been before and get some decent content for work. I know it's supposed to be my vacation, but I never relax, I never rest, so it'll be fun. I do plan on bringing 2 pairs of fishnets, so I have black ones with like really little small holes, and these sort of like tan gold ones, and they're sparkly and I think they're super cute. Let's do bathing suits next, I guess. I'm only bringing 2 sets. So I have plain white. I figured that's really sexy. I'm kind of worried it's gonna end up like see-through though, but we'll see. And then I have this one that is like a teal and gold like snake print or something. Again, super sexy. I love this one. I haven't worn it yet, so hopefully I'll get to utilize it. I've got 2 scrunchies. I do plan on bringing like more hair ties and stuff like that. I just don't want to leave myself stranded with nothing here until I leave, so that's probably more so gonna go in my purse, my carry-on. Usually I'm a lot more organized with this. Usually I have like a little list and check things off as I go, but I'm kind of winging it. I'm really trying to work on my anxiety that way a little bit and get more control over myself. You can be the judge if I'm doing okay or not. I don't know. I'm bringing these shorts. They're really cute. They tie on the sides. I'm hoping to wear these as a cover-up for that white swimsuit, but I might end up wearing them just as like an outfit. I'm not sure. They might be a bit too revealing. I don't know. And then I'm bringing 4 pairs of sunglasses. That might be a little excessive. I've got these really cute white ones. They're kind of like Elton Johnny. I have these pink heart ones, really cute, and very aesthetically pleasing. And then I have these black ones. I think I'm gonna end up wearing these ones in the airport with my airport outfit. I think they match better. So I've got every pair I would need. Let's try and get more into these outfits now though. I'll start with my more like pajama-y stuff, I guess. I've got this cute like sheer sort of shirt that I plan on sleeping in. I could wear it with an outfit if I wanted to, but I do plan on sleeping in it more than anything. And then I have 2 pairs of like velvet like comfy pants. I've got a pink pair. They're really big on me, so I don't know how much I'm going to be wearing them because I do want to look good. I don't want to look like a slob, but they're really comfy. And then I have these blue ones. They're really cute. I'm probably going to wear these with some tops. I found another panty. So with those blue pants, I'm bringing this blue bodysuit. Everyone seems to love that, so I might even do content in that one. And then I have a bunch of just like white tops. So this one is just a cute little lettuce trim crop top. This one is just a like off the shoulder ruched white top. And this is just a white tank top. So those will go with everything. And I'm bringing this really cute long leopard print skirt. It's really lightweight and flowy, so I know I'm going to be really comfortable in that. And then I plan on wearing this with one of the white tops. Those pink velvet pants I showed you, I'm bringing 2 tops to wear with them because I do plan on wearing them just kind of as like pajamas. I'm just not sure if I'll be wearing them like around the hotel or anything. But I have That's Hot shirt and just a solid pink cropped tank top. And then my last casual outfit is this cutesy little top and my green hippie pants, which I would also be able to wear with just a white top if I wanted. Let's move on to some of my more like fancy sort of cute dressy stuff, I guess. This leopard print little romper is more casual, but it's like, it could be dressed up, I guess. I don't know. That's probably going to be a casual outfit. Who am I kidding? Oh, I forgot. I also plan on bringing my hub bodysuit. I might end up wearing that in the pool. It's not a swimsuit, but it Could be, if you're me. I have this super cute little black mini strappy dress, and I kind of want to wear that with this like shrug. It's really weird. It's like kind of off the shoulder. I don't know, but I love that it's like skunk print, and I never get the opportunity to wear it, so it makes me feel super fancy. Then I have this super cute like velvet long sleeve short dress. I've had this for so long. One of my favorites, so iconic and so flattering. Just because we do plan on like going to fancy dinners and stuff, so I want to look really nice for those. I have this dress. It's kind of ugly, not gonna lie, but when it's on it looks different. So it's got like the sparkly top, and then it has the waterfall sort of skirt. So that's something that I feel really comfortable wearing, and it is one of my more dressy items. Then I have 3 more dresses left. So I have super scandalous red mini dress. It is so sexy, and I definitely want to wear it. That's another one I don't get to wear very often, but one of my favorites. This pink sparkly dress, the draping is so gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of like a figure skater dress. Again, don't get to wear it very often, so I'm hoping I'll get the opportunity. It's so pretty. One thing I hate about it though is the straps. They're not adjustable, so my chest weighs it down and it kills my arms. But you know what? Fashion is pain. And last but not least, this gorgeous blue drapey dress. It goes down past my knee. I think I've worn it before. You guys might know what I'm talking about with this one. It is so pretty. It also doesn't have adjustable straps, but I love it so much. So I should be ready for any sort of fancy dinner or event or just hanging out. I might have to add more casual clothes. I'm not sure. Also, I'm not sure what the temperature is supposed to be like. It's supposed to be like warm, obviously, but it's like cold for Vegas standards, so I don't really know what I'm supposed to wear. I'm really just guessing. I've never been before, but so excited, and hopefully I'm prepared. I've got to fold all this stuff up now, and I think it'll fit. It pretty much fits with it not even folded, so we should be good to go. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me pack, and I'll try and post a ton of content from Vegas and tell you guys all about it in my month review. So, yeah.